Hello guys, with this simple mini video.
Today I'll quickly show you how to get new ideas for painting your fingernails and toenails using Fooocus. Open Fooocus. Below, you'll find the link to the program. Input. Image. Go to Inpaint or Outpaint. In the Method section, choose Modify Content. Now load a photo of your hand or foot. In the Prompt section at the bottom, write about the color, style, or other preferences you want for your nails. Next, select the areas of interest for modification on your image, specifically the nails. Keep in mind that AI might not always be precise in recognizing the exact area. Click on Advanced to open the Settings section, Style. Here, you'll find infinite ideas. I recommend trying out different styles. You'll be amazed at the creative possibilities Fooocus offers. In this case, I've selected a few styles, but I'll also demonstrate other examples to showcase Fooocus's potential. To get more examples, go to Settings and choose Image Number, 10 examples to generate. Disable the random option, and for the negative prompt, write what you don't want to be generated. Now simply click Generate, and wait. Since we requested 10 examples with medium quality and 30 scans, it might take a little time. You can enjoy a coffee break with some biscuits while waiting. Let's see the results. The algorithm has already considered the precise color prompt, and it's looking good. Now, let's change the style and prompt. Click Generate again and see the wow factor. Imagine how many fresh ideas you can get with this straightforward system. For one last example, let's focus on hands. Load a photo, select the area to modify, choose different styles randomly, keep the prompt unchanged, and click Generate. The results are incredible. Now all that's left for you to do is try it at home and experiment with new nail designs on yourself and your friends to become a true nail professional and artist.
Let me know in the comments how much you commit. Thanks. If you liked this video, I kindly ask you to support me by putting a simple like and clicking on the bell to follow and learn about all the procedures of Fooocus and this new algorithmic technology that is invading the world. See you soon.